In this video, we are using a SoRenderArea for images. In contrast to a View 2D, the SoRenderArea allows us to create snapshots and movies from our viewer. Create the network as seen in the video and open the SoRenderArea. Use the file bone.tif from MeVisLab demo data. The viewer shows the image loaded by the local image module and an overlay based on the defined threshold module. You can define your overlay color and transparency however you like. In this case we chose a semi-transparent orange. You may have noticed that it is not possible to scroll through the slices in the SoRenderArea. We add a View 2D extensions module. Image information is now shown on the image. In addition to that, you can finally scroll through the slices. Now open the Views menu and add the Screenshot Gallery view. Pressing F11 inside the SoRenderArea now creates a snapshot of the current image and shows it in the Screenshot Gallery. You can even create a movie by using F9 to start and F10 to stop capturing. The movie is also stored in your gallery. This is a very simple way to create snapshots and movies from any 2D or 3D view you like by using the SoRenderArea. For further information, please have a look at www.mevislab.de.